Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. I just received something in the mail. I decided I was going to do an unboxing and kind of show you guys what it's about. I don't think this thing is terribly practical for me, but I thought I'd show it to you guys anyway. I didn't even know this thing existed, but here it is, so I'm going to open it up. I'm not going to do this very ceremoniously, I just need to get it done. And there we have it. That's everything out of the box. This thing is in here. I don't ever plan on using this as a bite mount, but the main thing that I wanted was the cover and the floaty. This was on sale, so I picked it up. Alright, so this is the HERO7 black case, and if you open the door all the way, it's quite stiff because it's new, but you can actually pull it out downwards. This is the frame for the back of the camera housing. We replaced that with this door, which is solid. It just snaps in place, I assume. And then you have a solid back door, which means you can't see the screen on the back anymore with the hatch closed. Then this piece here sticks to the back of the camera housing, and if you drop your camera in the water, it will float. It's kind of goofy looking, but it will save your camera, so I'm going to use it. They don't send you any isopropyl alcohol wipes. I have some alcohol in a bottle here. I don't want this to come off, so I'm going to make sure that the back housing is very clean, free of fingerprints or any other sort of schmooey stuff. That's all clean and dry, and now we'll peel the film off. That's satisfying. And then make sure that I get this placed. Oh, I just touched it again with my finger. Cut. More alcohol. Alright, I've given it a few seconds to dry. I've peeled the film off of the sticky bit, making sure that I put it low enough so that it doesn't get in the way of the latch, and try to make sure I get it centered up and stuff so it doesn't look extra goofy. And there we go. It's now stuck on the back. With this little add-on from GoPro, you now have a floating case. You can snap open the rear cover, load your HERO7 in there, and if you drop it in the water, it will float. I don't ever plan on using the bite piece, but because it comes with it, I will show you guys how it works. This slides onto the camera body, or the case, and then this goes into there. And you've got another little thumb screw that goes in from this side. The camera actually goes upside down. So you put it so that this is angled forward like that, and then you tighten these down. Exciting stuff. As I said, I will probably never use this, but it is there. They make this so that it also mounts in the regular GoPro mounts. So you pop up the rubber thing, slide it into the mount, pop that down, and this can be mounted on a helmet or whatever you want. Surfboard. I don't know why somebody would choose this over just, I mean, wear a helmet. Even if you don't need a helmet, if you're, I guess if you're scuba diving or snorkeling, this doesn't seem very practical. Especially if you're trying to commentate. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.